Villagers claim that they have lost family members because they could not get to a health facility on time and their calls for help are not attended to on time. Poor network reception has also worsened the situation, preventing them from calling for help in case of emergency.
The most painful event is the one we currently have. On 23 of November 2024, Saturday, midnight, where Baidikua Kashondo went through labor pain and delivered around 12 o'clock. And the placenta stacked, which resulted in severe blood losing. Their in-law started calling the Andara hospital at 1:45. During the call, the nurse who was in duty responded by promising that the ambulance will come shortly at around 8 minutes left to 2. The nurse called back with her private number and said they should take the patient to Shamunaro Clinic, which is 18 kilometers from Shamunaro. Yet, there was no car at all. Next morning, that was Sunday, at around 12 o'clock, the family tried by themselves to call the relative at Andara village to go and plead with the nurses to assist with the ambulance. Only at around 4 o'clock, the family called to inform their mother, who was at Andara, to tell this nurse that the person just passed on, and that was the time the Andara people could release the ambulance just to come and pick the corpse.
They allege that from April 2022, about 7 people died due to late emergency response.
When we are sick to call the ambulance for help, their response is that they can only help the maternity patient, while demanding again that we should take these people to Shamunaro. Yet it is 18 kilometers from. How can a sick person walk to cover such a kilos? Even if we call the office of the council, he or his team cannot show up. Yet they give false information through the radio, as the office did send its people to come and get proper information.
The village had a first aid clinic which had closed years back. The villagers appealed for the upgrade of the road network and construction of a medical center. Villages such as Shaditata and Shamahanduchi are experiencing limited access to healthcare services. Receiving the petition, the chairperson of the Divundu Village Council, Christophe Kupembona, assured the villagers that their letter will reach the intended office. He further informed the villagers that the office of the Councillor of Mukwe constituency has submitted a request to the Ministry of Works and Transport for the upgrade of Andara Shamunaro Road to Shamunaro Village. His office is still waiting for a response. The NBC News team reached out to the senior medical officer at Andara District Hospital, Erasmus Hapanyengwi, to confirm the said death. Dr. Hapanyengwi, however, said it will take a while for the hospital to verify the information, though some of the cases seemed familiar. Elizabeth Mwengo, NBC News, Shamunaro.